it is a new shape, we will take it and change the pattern again. So let's keep on changing the new designs, explore the new features here. I will take it that similar designs. Let's have a shape here. Keep making another shape. Use the designs here. Explore the different options. We are using here and an eraser tool. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.